Oh, hey guys, and we are back. And I was really sleepy, so as you notice, I've slept in my blazer only. I'm really sorry for that. So that nap might have been the only 3 hours in my entire summer vacation where I've not done any work related to this interview. So do watch the last part of this interview, guys, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching, guys. Okay, thank you for that, sir.
We will definitely do something if need be.
Thank you, sir. So, our ninth question to you would be, what support do you expect from the Indian government to overcome the impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic?
See, as far as we are concerned, fortunately, we do not have any term loan or any working capital from the bank. So that is the advantage we have because we don't have to pay anything to the government. But as far as coming out of this problem is concerned, for us as well as for other industries, government has to come out and provide lot of money in the pockets of businesses as well as in the pockets of people. People must have purchasing power for economy to so that economy does not go into recession. Purchasing power is most important in the later on times.
Okay, thank you for that, sir. Our 10th question to you would be, recently it came in the news that the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, has started a fund for which is a charity fund which donates money to fight COVID-19. So has your company,
PM cares.
yeah, has your company donated any money towards that charity fund?
Not till now. We are trying to help our the people associated with us, and so that they are not starved or they do not feel any problem as such. We do not know. What we'll do in the future. So till now, there is no planning to make payment in PM cares.
Okay, thank you for that, sir. Our 11th question would be, our 11th question to you would be, do you think that the COVID-19 pandemic has had any psychological effects on you, your co-director, or anyone associated with your company?
Till now, I do not see anyone affected by that, but I don't know. Future it may, okay. Since it is quite difficult to it is like house arrest for us, all of us.
Okay, sir. So, and our last question to you today would be, keeping this experience in mind, what advice would you give to the future generation of entrepreneurs?
See, the businesses do come and go. There are always some businesses which do badly, and there are some which do good. Or all dark phases bring new phases of light. Every night is followed by the day. So things go bad, go good, and one should not mind for these things. These are the phases of life, one can say, or the phases of business as well.
Okay.
So
So, do you think it is normal for a business to go under these kind of fallouts or recession?
nobody wants it. This is not normal thing, but abnormal circumstances are also to be uh, found out.
Okay. Thank you for the information today, sir. We hope I hope that many people understand what you've said and use that in their life, in their future dreams. Thank you for sharing information. Thank you for giving us your time, and have a good day. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Jai Hind.
Thank you. So that was the entire interview, guys. I really hope you liked it and you enjoyed it. And also, I have mentioned in a previous post about this as well, about how I would like to interview some of you guys so as to understand how the pandemic has affected the youth of the society as well. So I think you guys can still drop your names on my story. However, if the story has elapsed, you guys can DM me saying you would like to be a part of the interview, and I should give you guys more details. So I really hope a lot of you participate in this interview program, because I would love to see your points, views, insights on such a socially relevant topic. So thank you for watching, guys. Do let me know if you're interested in the interview program, and as always, keep your heads up for the next interview. Thank you, guys.